Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to set sale prices for products with variants in Shopify. So we are on our homepage. On the left-hand side, you will navigate over to products from your list, and this is where you will get to edit your products. So as you can see here, I've got a camera tripod. We're going to click on this and open it up. Now from here, you're going to travel down to where you see variants. And just under here, you will see variants with its pricing. What you want to do is go ahead and click on the actual variant that you would like to change. So I've got this tripod in two colors, black and silver. What we're going to do now is we are going to change this pricing. Now, currently on my store, you can see this is what the pricing is. And once you go here, this is the method. You're going to take this and you're going to enter it in your compare at price. Okay, so this is going to be your original price, and in this actual price tag here, you are going to enter in the amount that you would like to have your sale at. So what we're going to do now is just say save on the top right hand side, and you can do exactly the same with the silver variant or whatever other variant you've got. All right, so you want to make sure that your original price is under the compare at price, and under the price option, you want to put in your new price or your sale price. You want to tap on save. Now let's go into the store, and this may take a few minutes to refresh. Once you refresh this page, you will actually see underneath the title with the price, it's actually crossed out the original price, and it's now given you the new sale price, and it's got a little sale banner next to that. Now, if this video was helpful, show your support, drop us a like, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Peace.